Well, somewhat the aftermath here. We still have some snow falling, but pretty much over as far as it goes. Wind's still blowing. They say April 15th. Pickup is got quite a few inches on it. I noticed that WCCO TV out of Minneapolis, which is about 160 miles away, they don't cover the weather for us very well because they're east of us, but they do mention us because we're in the same state once in a while. So Canby, Minnesota had 23 inches recorded snowfall, and that was before it was over. So I'm sure it's going to end up to be more. Looks like I got a pretty good sized drift in front of in my driveway there, so I'll have to get out. And unfortunately, my pickup is sitting in front. That wasn't too well thought out. My trailer is underneath about 5 feet of snow there, looks like. So yeah, this is going to be fun. I might have to get the neighbor over with the snowblower if he's got it attached. Thanks for watching. A bunch of snow on top of the shop roof. And yeah, that's just a bunch of snow for April 15th. I think it'd be a joke, but it isn't. Back to the rear of the house. Kind of happy that there wasn't much that landed in my patio. We usually clean this out. We'll have to do some cleaning. But the bad part there is the one that's behind the patio, and it generally generates a lot of thaw, a lot of water back here. It doesn't usually get back up to the house, but with that much snow back there, again, I might see if I can't get the neighbor to come and blow some of this out of the way, blow it out into the field or something, or somewhere else in my yard. So, yeah, I don't know if it's 23, but you can't tell out here because the wind blew the whole time, and yeah, you can see the grove back there. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. There's some reflection in the, yeah, what a mess. Neighbor over there, I had the cattle picture. That's where I took the cattle picture from. And he's got shelter for him, but that has got to be just absolutely miserable on cattle and calves at this time of the year. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.